3 deaths have now been confirmed as a result of leptospirosis. The total suspected death toll currently stands at 11. However, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says authorities expect a decline in both suspected and confirmed cases of leptospirosis in the near future. Shamela Pullen reports.
As at November 22, the country has recorded 10 confirmed cases of leptospirosis. Of those 10 cases, 3 people died. There are another 81 suspected cases. Of that number, 11 deaths are being investigated.
The indication from the team, this is the EPI team collecting the data from our centennial sites across the country, is that the increase in suspected or confirmed cases is taking place at a decreasing rate. Now, what's the ray of hope in that? Is that we are expecting, therefore, that it will taper off and then hopefully decline to what would be more in keeping with the average rates in the country.
According to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, the ministry made early preparations for the environmental risks that could follow Hurricane Melissa, and leptospirosis was identified as a key concern from the outset.
PAHO is here and they can validate that. We started doing lab training for testing, securing the testing equipment and the materials, sensitizing our doctors, our field operatives to look at or reminding them of symptoms so that they can diagnose before lab test results, and of course reminding of treatment. In that department, we have no issues up to this point.
Dr. Tufton says cleanup work, public education efforts, and vector control activities are still underway in the affected areas. He says the situation continues to be closely monitored and they're optimistic that infection levels will improve as current measures take effect.
We have made special appeals to bring more persons on, retired public health team members who have volunteered to engage the process. We have also, where outside help has been offered, ensure that persons are credentialed and are deployed where the need is greatest, working with our partners at PAHO and otherwise. And from that perspective, therefore, we think that the plan is working.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.